Now, once you're done editing and changing the page you want to have, you can go ahead and publish it. All you got to do is just click on Publish button, and it gets published. Once it's published, it's available to the whole world, but it's not on a menu. Adding pages to the menu, you're going to see other videos. But here, let's assume that you published a page and you're not very happy with the way it is, and you would like to go back or backtrack to an older version. All you got to do is just go make sure that you open Screen Options and Revisions is checked. This doesn't mean that it's starting to start keeping revisions after it's checked. That just means to make sure that you can see the revisions here at the bottom of your page. Now, you can easily go back to, like, let's say, a version from 45 minutes ago, 51 minutes ago, 2 weeks ago, or a year ago, whatever. But you can click on that revision and say, okay, I'm happy with that, and then restore to that revision.